Okay guys, we're just gonna jump right into it. This is a tag builder kit. It comes with 8 pages. It's on my Etsy if you're interested. There's also different themes. I have a lavender theme, yellow rose theme, and a few others, and I'm currently going to be releasing some other ones as well, but this is a kit I loved. I love the bright pop of blue. So we're going to be working with that. Please forgive me, I don't have my brown ink with me. I just had some green ink because I just moved to apartments. This is Elena, by the way. And so yeah, I didn't really like the green, so I stopped using it, but I will eventually get better ink, and so I do recommend inking it. Alright, so what you're going to do to start is pick your pocket, and then I like to crease mine, as you can see. And everybody does this part different, but I personally like to put the 2 tabs, the smaller tabs on the side down first, and then I'd glue to them. That way it's not like sticking out in the back, and then it's as easy as that. And you just hold it down for a second. My table is also a little shaky, so just ignore that. And then just like that, you kind of have a pocket. And the way I sized these, it is like a little bit of a tighter fit, but it allows the pocket to kind of automatically just be a little more like 3D, so you can fit more in there. For the front of mine, I'm actually going super simple this time, and I'm just going to be adding these 2 things on. So I'm just going to do that. Make sure it's pretty centered. It's pretty hard. I know I definitely glued different than my mom. Some of you guys watch my mom, and I'm definitely a newbie at this, but I appreciate you guys for being here watching as I put the tag on a little crooked. But yeah, that's how I want mine to look like, just like that. And then the only thing that's not in this kit that I'm using today, I think, is this lace and this. And I really just wanted like just kind of a vintage tag, so I just grabbed one of mine. You can grab some of your extra supplies or just use what's in the kit. And then I traced out the back of it on this beautiful, beautiful paper, and I'm just simply going to glue that down. Oh, oops. Lining them up has always been really hard for me. I'm not as naturally gifted as my mom is at the actual making of junk journaling. I love to design the papers and come up with ideas there, but actually designing it has not been my strong point. And then this is a piece of ephemera from the kit that I'm just going to be gluing down. And I cut the sides to match already, so you guys don't have to watch me do that. And then this kit also comes with some words and numbers. So these are the ones I'm using for this part. It's just gonna, I haven't quite decided what I want to do with it yet, but I'm thinking I'm gonna put some lace down. So I'm just gonna go ahead, just full send, get it done. And then I'll probably trim that up when I'm done and trim up the other edges. This part, see, this would be a really good time to have some brown ink. So yes, I really do recommend that. To me, it just like defines all your clean cut edges and makes it look super, super nice. I'm just gonna put this right in the middle so it kind of pops up onto the lace and looks super nice there. And oh wait, this is the flower part will be right there. That's a little cute. I saw that quote and I was like, oh, I need to incorporate that into a junk journal. The earth laughs in flowers. I thought it was so cute. So there's that part, and I don't know how I'm gonna do this part yet, but I kind of wanted to just take up the whole tag. Just depending on like kind of what you like, you can decide. For some people, this might be too many words, and that's okay. So I'm gonna do, oh, the earth in laughs flowers. The earth laughs in flowers. Yeah, so I'm gonna start at the bottom just so I can get that correctly lined up. A lot of people have been asking how the new apartment is, and I think that's so sweet that you guys care. It makes my day. It's been really good. It is up in the mountains a little bit more. Utah's already unpredictable with weather, but I'm in a certain area where it's a little crazier and there is still even some snow. So if you're in that boat with me, I'm sorry. I'm ready for spring. So I've been designing so many flower kits lately just because it's in my subconscious that that's just what I'm ready for. Okay, so there's my tag. That's just one of the few I'm gonna be adding in. There's those two things done. And then the rest of it, I think I'm gonna actually keep pretty simple. If you want a double-sided tag, then go ahead and just print your tags and then print one of the other sheets I included on the back, or just print over a sheet you already have. I don't mind the white back just for the purpose of making videos, but I know for some people that is a game changer. So if you don't like to see any of the white paper, just do that. Alright, so that one's super simple. And also, I would maybe possibly add some fancy lace up top as a little hook. It's really hard just because when I moved, I left my sewing machine with my mom. I left a lot of things with her, and I don't have a hole punch yet. I'm still getting settled in, but that is probably what I would do. So that's what we got so far. I think it's coming along so nice. I love the colors. And then here we have some more paper that I ripped from here. I'm just going to create a little pocket. Again, this would be an excellent time to have some beautiful ink to ink up the edges. I'm not going to do the green, but that's how I'm going to size it. Just like that. I hope you guys get some inspiration for this. Even if you don't have this kit, I hope it inspires you. But I love how much stuff you can make with the kit. And then I'm just going to glue the very, very edges. That's a little hard to do with a glue stick, but that is okay. Personally, I'm not going to be stuffing a lot of ephemera into there, so yeah. And then here's the ephemera I'm going to be putting in. Just like so. It's not even dry yet, but I'm just going to put it in. It doesn't even matter. And then trim that up. Perfect. So yeah, that pretty much sums it up. It's just a big kit for you to it's like a guideline for you to help be creative in your journaling, while also, I don't know, I like this kit just because for me personally, creating is like kind of hard. It's hard for me to create stuff I like and with just a bunch of blank supplies. So I love when a kit is all put together, which is what I tried to do here, just to make it a little bit easier and also super customizable for anybody who wants just more of to add their own little flair on it, their own supplies or whatever. But there it is, super simple, super, super cute. And then you can just stick it right into a journal or have it just plain. Okay, here's the final kit. I love the bright blues, it's super fun. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll put the item and my printer and all the links in the description, so make sure to check it out. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you next time.